It's a beautiful evening here in Green, Iowa. We got some dogs barking in the background, but we're still excited to check out and test drive this 1970 Mustang Mach-1. Rim blown steering wheel, tilt wheel, shaker hood, air conditioning, show quality paint. There's just nothing not to love about this red Mach-1. Got beautiful under the hood.
Aluminum heads. The guy bought the car basically just the way it was about, I don't want to say how many, a few years ago for sure. I don't remember the exact amount. Didn't like the FMX transmission. Had that pulled out, put a C6 in it, rebuilt, and then took the motor out. When he did that, he spent $7,000. Aluminum heads, completely went through this 351. Yeah. Air conditioning is ice cold. But just look at the restoration quality. Everywhere you look, all the bolts are all brand new. Down in here, everything was taken apart, painted correctly, all marked correctly. I mean, what a quality restoration.
Very. 7,500 spent on the motor, brand new. I think drove great when he drove the other day too. I hand that over to you. Check her out.
It's very impressive. The only thing I've seen on the whole car as far as imperfections, and I can see from the side, it's got just a couple tiny little chips along the side of the hood right here. Another great gapped car. Back edge of the hood, to the cowl, to the top of the fenders. It's excellent. I love the front chin spoiler. The grill's all brand new. Turn signals are new. Parking lights are new. I mean, the whole car has been completely restored. They did a great job underneath on this one as well.
Fantastic. Yeah, the color, the paint job's beautiful. It's got all the options a guy would want.
Yeah, if I'm going to pick anything apart, I probably would do just a little bigger tire in the front.
Yeah, but I kind of like the stance.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. I'm just saying if it was my car personally. I'm guessing somebody had probably bigger ones and they rubbed or something. They got pissed off and just didn't even want to get it close, you know. The tires are in great shape. That I would just go a little bigger. But there again, the back of the hood lines up great.
This would be a good one to take to the cruise tonight.
It would be. There's a little tiny chip right here. It's been touched up. Gaps are great. All new Mach-1 trim all the way along the bottom. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. The floors, frame rails, torque boxes, exhaust, everything is top notch on this one. The rear slats, rear spoiler, beautiful. Exhaust tips, all brand new. Drop down there for the gas lid. Honeycomb's all brand new. Trims there is brand new. Interior's flawless. Just the rim blown steering wheels. When I was hunting for them, I couldn't find a new one. But to get a rebuilt one like that was like $600. And that one works, and it's in beautiful shape. All the interior lights work, front and back. Door jamb paint's as nice as the rest of it. It's got the overhead seat belts. Dash pad is perfect. Now we got it.
And when you were looking for rim blown steering wheel, that was 6-7 years ago.
That was a long time for that Mach-1 we were doing. Paint in the door jambs, you can kind of just see in there. Just the quality of the car. Corners of the door is great. Door panels are new. They've went up too. You used to be able to get these door panels, the Mach-1, for like $300 for the pair. They were like $700 in the last one I bought.
It's crazy. You said about those steering wheels are $1,200.
Probably. Freaking everything's got so expensive, and then people wonder why the cars went up.
Yeah.
I mean, restoration cost is crazy. Look at the console on it. Headliner's in great shape. Body is perfectly straight.
The thing with restoring them too is, you can spend all that money, but it still might not look this good when it's done.
Yeah, that's the thing. You just don't know. The only thing I can when this was on the hoisty, I could see just a couple little door ding kind of things. They're not chips, but like in this door right here, you can barely see it just in the right sound. It's got a couple tiny little dings.
I can't see them at all.
Yeah, it's on the door. They're hard to see.
Still can't see them.
You know, nothing is perfect, but this is damn nice. It's got 2 little chips that were touched up here. Gorgeous quarters. Roof line is nice. Also had a couple right here. You can see that when they painted it, it looks like they had just a little paint run right here, and it was wet sanded and buffed. So if you get in the right, you can't see it here, but if you get here, you can kind of see it in my shadow. Just a little bit yeah. I'm just being a little fussy on the show quality car.
Just because it's so nice, and those are the only things we can really point out, and you can't even really see
nice
them.
Car. Yeah. It's nothing that needs any attention or anything like that. We just want everyone to know exactly what they're getting, and this is a gorgeous Mach-1.
This thing is just so damn cool too, with that shaker hood and the rear slats.
Yeah.
It's like, shit, I just kind of want to drive it.
It's all muscle, man. You might have mentioned that it had tilt wheel. It does not have tilt wheel.
It does not have tilt wheel?
No.
Okay.
Just want to point that out. Again, the paint in the door jams, like Dalton always likes to say, still looks wet. I mean, it's paint in the door jams is better than most paint jobs on any car that we run across. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The seats are perfect. Steering column paint is excellent. They did go with sport comp gauges, and everything works. Two-speed wipers, and they work good. The cool part is the rim blow steering wheel works like everywhere. You know, sometimes you can find just one spot they work. Gas gauge, temp gauge, we're already running 150. Oil pressure, even when we're running 150, it's still at 60 pounds at 800 RPM, so a lot of oil pressure. Amp gauge either doesn't work properly or it's not charging properly. So we need to check on that. It's showing between 11 and 12 volts.
These interiors are so classy and cool.
This car is all muscle. Got the dual sport mirrors, brand new headliner, new freaking rear view mirror, dash pad. I mean, the shifter bushings are nice and tight. Like I said, air conditioning works. Here in a minute if it needs a little charge. The other thing that we do before they go out, if the air conditioner works, we always go ahead on the sold ticket, put another little charge to it, check the temp on it as well, make sure it's nice and cold. You know, trying to wind that clock, Big B?
Yeah. Set the time.
That's important.
Oh shit, the clock works. You got the little needle that moves.
Awesome.
I didn't think it was working.
Oh yeah, you got her set, huh?
I fixed it.
You're a fixer.
Mechanic.
You are a mechanic. We've been looking, we're trying to hire one mechanic. You might just get moved from
The only thing I've ever really fixed is that clock right there.
Attaboy. It's my son.
Oh, I didn't spin her around.
I don't shit out of it either. Nope. That's why I like to buy them when they're done like this, because I can't do crap to them.
Yeah.
I'm not very handy. That's not why my wife married me. I was a mechanic. Hey, look in here. There's no owner's manual. Pretty cool. Try.
That's going on with my next. I'll probably never have to fill out another resume, but if it does, fix the clock on a 70 fastback. That's my experience.
Yeah, mechanical electrician. Electrician.
Nice.
Got the air going. Anyway.
They go up easy too.
Hey, it's tight, huh?
Yeah.
Quiet as shit in here. You can whisper.
Because it's a damn good car. One of my favorites too.
Goes down the road really nice. The steering's nice and tight.
For the facts, the guy gets out of our lane.
What do you think of the way that thing shifted? I mean, it did throw me right back.
Yeah, it did. Shifted really nice.
Going through the gears. We'll do it one more time. There's no real traffic right behind us yet. Down shifter down.
I know this one's gonna sell right away because the last 4 or 5 cars that I've, you know, absolutely loved when they came in, sold before everyone really got a chance to enjoy them.
Yeah.
So I'm sure this one will be just the same.
Well, everything works now. They can fix the clock.
Yeah, the clock works now too.
Yeah,
There's proof.
The drive's fantastic. Going down the road right now, 65 mile an hour. No vibration, no rear end noise, no nothing.
Yeah, fantastic. Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Links down in the comments section of this video if you're watching on YouTube. But again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.